Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego Friends set 41090, and it's Olivia'S garden pool from 2015 to 2016. So this is the box and here's the full set. As you can see, you get this beautiful slide that can lift up and go down, and you also get this beautiful piece that looks like a radio, and you get a little table with a plant and a glass of fruit juice and a bottle of fruit juice, and the character you get is Olivia, and the pool looks like a heart, and she gets this floatable ring and a ball, and you also get this beautiful turtle with and some plant pieces, and you get this beautiful colorful rainbow umbrella piece as well, and also another glass of fruit juice or milkshake that she's drinking. And I bought this in 2015 or 2016 from Toys R Us in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.